Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting backup right now. Sign into Google Photos and enable backup and sync so your device begins uploading. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network or select mobile data if you need immediate uploads. Check Google account storage. If near capacity, pick a larger plan or free space to avoid failed uploads. Once done, open the Photos app and confirm the upload icon or progress bar shows files being processed. That proves your first step succeeded. Now configure how and what you back up. Choose Original for full quality or Storage Saver to save space. That affects storage counts and future access. Make sure to include camera and any other device folders you want backed up and exclude screenshots or app caches you don't need. For computers, install Drive for Desktop to sync folders or use Google Photos Web Upload. This keeps desktop images in sync. Once configured, watch initial large uploads and let them finish before disconnecting from Wi-Fi. Finish by verifying everything uploaded. Compare photo counts on device versus Google Photos and inspect recent items to ensure no gaps. If you want a full offline copy, use Google Takeout to export your Photos archive, then copy that archive to an external drive or NAS for redundancy. Make sure transfer is complete and test opening a few files. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads stall, clear app cache, sign out and back in, and confirm backup and sync settings and storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.